Audio Jungle.
Ngomonglah.
Pergantian kampas rem. Rian mekanik, Abang Rian mekanik, handal kita, ketua mekanik SPN.
Ini tutorial apa? Ganti kampas rem.
Kampas rem. Jangan lupa subscribe, like and comment.
Mobil apa nih? Mobil apa?
Mobil Agya. Agya 3D. Part kedua masih seperti yang tadi, lagi dibongkar kampas rem belakang bersama Rian mekanik, ketua SPN.
Ini masih ada bongkarnya ya.
Kita buka dulu pernya.
Setelah rem.
Itu. Oke, Pak. Setelah remnya, Bang.
Remnya baru
Ya,
kebuka.
awas itu, Bang. Tepinya itu yang kecil itu, awas lupa itu. Ya, guys.
Buka dulu ya.
Pembukaan sepi, guys.
Ini sepi rem tangan ini. Sedang ya.
Oke, siap. Waduh, bahaya ada korupsi ini. Oke. Ya, kita ambil kampas remnya.
Oke, ini kampas barunya ya guys ya. Ini ya bukan yang habis, yang murah tapi bukan murahan ya guys ya. Yang murah tapi bukan murahan guys.
Jangan lupa bersihan itu. Ya.
Bersihin dulu guys. Ini tukernya males ini guys, bersih-bersihnya guys. Tuh, sampai kayak gini semua. Ini tukernya bawahnya aja ini guys. Baru guys, sudah nih guys. Nah, ini karet abu ya guys ya namanya. Ini punya untuk nguruk rumah bisa nih guys. Untuk bikin nguruk rumah ya guys. Apa rumah? Tentunya. Ini saking tepalnya nih guys. Pas. Ini jangan lupa dibersihkan dulu guys. Nah, kebersihan pangkal metal. pasang ini guys. Rem.
But it's too late now. I remember you and me, and how careless we could be.
All day and all night, we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright, staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us, like a good drug, never enough.
We'd hook up in my car, drive it so far, play your guitar, you'd show me your art, let down our guards, think with our hearts, stare at the stars. We were never apart, drinking too young, way too much fun, out in the sun, hoping when it's gone. Took you to prom, dance to our song, dance all night long till the lights come on.
Late now, I remember everything, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be, and how careless we could be. Nights, long fights, it felt right, we were alive. We would go out, we were so loud, we were so proud, we had no doubts. Weekends and weekdays, we'd spend our own way. We were careless, we were fearless, we were reckless, time was precious.
We loved to waste time, whiskey and wine, drinking all night, asleep by your side. Finally alive, we would just drive, never arrive. Our journey was live, staying out late, testing our fate.